I'm Jordi Bordas, and I want to present you the introductory course to the B concept method. In this course, you'll learn the keys to a healthier, lighter, and tastier pastry. In the first module, I'll show you the ingredients with which we'll work throughout this course, so that you discover that a more nutritious pastry is possible. We'll talk about gluten-free flours, such as rice flour, oat flour, and nut flour. We'll study unrefined sugars, such as coconut sugar, and other interesting alternatives for refined sugar. We'll also discuss fats, eggs, and dairy products, and how to replace them by other ingredients. Next, you'll learn the texture-creating techniques, which are emulsification, aeration, thickening, and gelling. In this introductory course, you'll discover what the B concept method is and the possibilities it can offer you in terms of creative freedom. In the second module, you'll learn how to make 4 brand new pastry creations designed by me, all of them gluten-free. To elaborate them, we'll use nutrient-rich ingredients, such as coconut sugar, whole grain flours, or nuts. In these recipes, the objective is for the flavors to be clean and defined, but also easily recognizable, such as chocolate, apple, pecan nut, pistachio, or citrus. We'll start with 1 chocolate, a petit gâteau that combines different textures, in which the cocoa is the main protagonist. Inside, we have a chocolate sponge cake, and an almond, cocoa, and chocolate crunchy, and also a creamy, a gelée, and a mousse, all of them made of pure cocoa. We'll continue with the apple entremets, in which we'll pair Granny Smith apple with lime and hazelnut. This entremets is made of a lime sponge cake, a super tasty hazelnut praline creamy, and an apple and lime gelled compote, which gives it a super interesting acidic flavor. And we finish by decorating it with apple and granola, simple and elegant. We'll continue with the cocoa and pecan cake, a gourmet preparation for the travel cake lovers. It's made of a pecan and cocoa cake batter and a very creamy and light cocoa ganache. It's covered with candied pecan nuts and a pecan and dark chocolate coating. And finally, we'll make a very refreshing pistachio, lime, and lemon tartlet. You'll learn how to make a sablé, a pistachio cake, a lemon and lime creamy, and a meringue with very low sugar content. Immerse yourself in the world of B concept pastry and discover all the keys to make a healthier, lighter, and tastier pastry. I'll see you online.